Lately, every single YouTuber is talking about the coming market crash. Let me tell you something that is going to save you a lot of time. All those videos say the same basic things. No one can predict a stock market crash, but it could come. In the meanwhile, just DCA, just keep on buying. And to tell you this, they take between 10 and 20 minutes doing some random market analysis, which tells you exactly nothing. So why are they doing it? Because they know fear equals views. They think about a catchy and scary thumbnail, and they think about an even more terrifying title, so they know that you're going to click on it and you are going to make them a lot of money. I don't like wasting your time, so let me tell you the truth. They have no idea what the market is going to do next, and neither do I. So just stop wasting your time watching these scary videos. So get off YouTube, go have some fun, or perhaps research some stocks, do some worthwhile analysis. If you like no bullshit content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like. See you next time. Bye!